Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter again out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to my video. Today's video is about my commissions that I made with the Traffic Blaster Pro and with the Click Engine, and it's done through the Warrior Plus. My Warrior Plus account is here. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to show you proof of my commissions that I made. Uh, let's go over to affiliates and we're going to go to the dashboard. This is the dashboard right here. Last 7 days I made $13.21. Last 30 days I made $32.31. And let me see. Overall, let's go back over here. Let's see. I'm trying to find out. I'm trying to get you to look at my overall progress in the Warrior Plus from my Warrior Plus account from promoting the Click Engine and the Traffic Blaster Pro. And right here, you can see the amount that I have received. My sale price 177.80 and my commission is $84.95. Uh Small program, but it grows. It grows. And when I say small, I mean it doesn't take but a few dollars to join or to start your account to open up account. See the Traffic Blaster Pro on this day on this month 21.90, $1 here. The Click Engine $4.90. Traffic Blaster Pro again $34.90. The Click Engine $4.90. Traffic Blaster Pro $21.90. Traffic Blaster Pro a 6 month subscription $34. This is just the results I'm showing you. Total adding up to $177.80. My commission this is sale price right here. My commission is $84.95. Okay, this is what I just like seeing coming back into this Warrior Plus, my Warrior Plus account, and seeing my results and seeing how I am getting paid. Okay, let's go down here. Warrior Plus. This is my email account. Let's go back up here. I'm going to my affiliated account. As you can see, my commission has come in. This was on the 14th of April, which was a couple of days ago. You see, I made $10.47 here, 43 cents here. Right here, I made $16.79. And right here, $10.47. Right here, $16.79. It says affiliated sale you earn $4.24 from your profit fundamentals complete package, and it goes on and on. This is to show you these can be recurring profits, recurring monthly income, and it's simple to get started. It's simple to get started. Right here, I want to show you my website for Traffic Blaster Pro. This is what I advertise. Once you click on the link, it's going to be at the bottom of this video. It's gonna bring you to this page, Traffic Blaster Pro, and you can watch the video. And it's going to explain to you. It's going to explain to you how that you can uh, get your business or your product seen 100% by 100% buyers. This is traffic, and the bottom line to being successful in your business or promoting your products or your programs online is traffic. Your sources, it has to be traffic that builds your list and contact list where you can promote your programs or products too. Okay, once you click on the link, the Traffic Blaster Pro link, is going to bring you to this video. And again, we want to show you the click engine. The click engine is another program that I showed you in Warrior Plus. This is the click engine. Once you click here, it's going to take you here. You put in your email address. And then click here. Yes, please give me instant access. Uh-oh. Let me try it again. This sign up form is not working. Please contact the website. I tell you what, we're not gonna even promote this until it's working. I don't know. It may be having some difficult technical situations this morning, but anyway, I put Traffic Blaster Pro at the bottom of this email, and then you can click on it to learn more about it. And if you would like to join, then you can do so. I don't know what's going on with this link, but anyway, I'll check it out at the end of the day and get started today. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. You've seen the results, and this is what I'm doing each and every day. I'm promoting my sites, and of course, my main site is the Prosperity Marketing System. And if you look me up, you will see. If I'm going to put a link to my playlist down at the bottom, and if you check it out, you will see my main program is the Prosperity Marketing System. All right, we will talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day or night, and we will see you on the next video. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Bye bye now.